Savour this feeling, savour this sensation, because how proud, that's all I can say. How proud are you of them? How proud. To go down so early, such a easy goal to concede, and Saliba looking like he was going to get bullied again, the midfield looking like he was going to get bullied again, the same sort of issues that we faced in the past few games reared their head again. But they didn't let it get to him, and Saka's finish was unreal. Unreal. The adjustment of his feet to be able to get that much power on that strike. That second goal was class. But again, we didn't really close down, and we're just basics. And I'm really, really happy that Arteta made him go out early and sort of say, you got us into this, get us out of it. Because things like this are what propel a season again. And what I've been saying is, if we can be in and around it, right, with Jesus, Smith Rowe back on the bench, Partey come back in, we can be in and about it and add to the quality that we can bring on to change it, we'll push all the way. We'll push all the way. So that's why today was so valuable. And obviously playing on Wednesday and expending so much energy, and the mood. Not really the mood, like the... I don't want to say mood as in like it turned, but more like the frustration, like we're almost like deflated. That's what I'm looking for. The deflated nature of us from Wednesday, and them players, that would have been hurting as well. To them come back like that and answer the critics on the pitch in a game that wasn't going our way, to get the equaliser to make it 2-2, to still push for the game, but not leave us exposed at the back. I know that it were end-to-end and they had a couple of chances. Ramsdale with a great save, Gabriel with a great tackle. But I thought Jorginho's presence, Jorginho and Odegaard, but Jorginho, it looked like he stepped up a further couple of yards and he was breaking stuff up, but he was also getting involved. That one ball that he played like to Saka, I believe it was, the disguise on that. And I felt like his involvement was what swarmed our presence and position on the pitch to be more in their half, and not just knocking it about and not really creating anything. Like it would quicken, the pace were quicker, we were a lot sharper, a lot more direct. And then, yeah, what a strike. And yeah, you could say it's unlucky on Martinez, or you could say that that's karma for the amount of time wasting that he was doing, and fuck him. You know what I mean? And then the fourth, great play by Vieira, Martinelli celebrating before he scores, and all of a sudden, from what goes into stoppage time looking a nervy point, if we hang on, but we're looking for the winner as well, balancing that, 8 to 10 minutes later becomes 2 goals, 3 points, and the buoyancy back with the boys and the fans. You know, rich reward for everything we've put through this season. And February's been a difficult spell, don't get it twisted. And there's still obviously more to come, but answering like that shows that we are in for the fight, and we have the character and the ability to make a difference. I still think the left-hand side needs a bit of work. Trossard were decent, but he had no support. When you look at the link-up play of Odegaard, Ben White and Saka down the right, there's nothing like that happening on the left at all, and we are a bit lopsided. I think that we do need to answer that. If Zinchenko's continuing playing like he is, then we still need to have him go, that he can go on the outside as well. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, let's just marvel in that and buzz, because we love this set of players. You can feel it. When we were there Wednesday, you know, weren't a booing or anything like that. It was just an applause of, keep going, boys, keep your heads up, we've got you, do you know what I mean? And I felt today has proved to them the belief and the ability is there, and to keep going again. And let's kick on from now. As I say, with them players that come back in, let's move on to the next and see how we go, man. But brilliant, brilliant, brilliant way to start your Saturday and to start your weekend. Big love, everybody. Peace and light. Victoria Concordia Cruise set. What a fucking win that is. Fucking love this club. I swear down. Peace.